E care e Facebook-ul care e ENFIELD sau al nostru?
Nu, YouTube-ul al lui ENFIELD și Facebook-ul pentru tehnice.
De pe prezentarea?
Da.
Slide-urile?
Bagă și să știu.
Ok.
Merge bine, am stricat în butonul ăsta, dar merge. Ăsta e next, ăsta e previous.
Ok, mersi frumos. Hello everybody. First of all, I would like to wish you a warm welcome to National University of Science and Technology Polytechnica Bucharest and to the ENFIELD Hackathon in August to presentation of the ENFIELD project and of the subject of the hackathon. And then I'm going to ask the teams to say some words about themselves, and then the members of the jury. However, we have two missing teams and two missing jury members who are stuck somewhere, unfortunately for them, while coming to Bucharest. They are going to arrive a little bit later, either until noon or in the afternoon. We are going to see, depending on the flights and on the roads. We are very sorry for them, and we strongly hope that their travel will be okay. Therefore, I am going to first start with a short presentation of the project, of the ENFIELD project. Here is the project vision and mission. It's a project who started exactly 1 year before, well, 1 year minus a day, that means on the 1st of September 2023. The vision and mission of the ENFIELD project is to create a unique European center of excellence that excel in fundamental research in the pillars of adaptive, green, human-centric, and trustworthy AI that are new, strategic, and of paramount importance to successfully AI development, deployment, and acceptance in Europe. The ENFIELD project will further advance the research within the vertical of healthcare, energy, manufacturing, and space by attracting the best talents, new technologies, and resources from research and industry players of top ranked in Europe, and by carrying out top-level research activities in synchronization with industry. Here you can see the main, let's say, directions or topics related to the project concept. So we have 4 thematic areas in which the members of the consortium are doing fundamental research. Green artificial intelligence, adaptive AI, human-centric AI, and trustworthy AI. In parentheses, there are the coordinating organization. Just a word, University Polytechnica is also co-coordinating together with Technical University on Eindhoven, the human-centric AI direction. Also, I have mentioned the 4 verticals which are connected to application domains, and these are energy, healthcare, manufacturing, and space. On the right, you can see the work packages that are defined within the ENFIELD project. Of course, there is the project management work package. There is the second work page to research excellence, which is dedicated to fundamental research related to the 4 pillars mentioned there. We have the work package 3 about societal relevance dedicated to application domain, the 4th application domain mentioned there. We have work package 4, which is dedicated to developing a common roadmap for vision about the project strategy and the project development of research, but also educational resources. And we have work package 6 about outreach cooperation to dissemination and promotion of the results of the project. And finally, work package 7 about innovation and exploitation, which is dedicated to establishing strong links with industry and cooperation. You can see here the outcomes of the project that we are going to produce. Of course, we are going to put together resources such as research lab, data infrastructure, and also the development of the DigiWare platform in which all the resources produced by the project will be available to all interested parties. We are going to participate in strategic initiatives such as political initiatives, network and alliances, and also, of course, in national research and innovation projects. But also, the project will have an important component related to innovation, such as entering into contact and participating in digital innovation hubs and incubators, establishing industrial collaborations. All these are already ongoing, and also the open cascading calls both for the 4 main pillars related to basic research and for the application domain, the 4 verticals. There in the right you can see the call in which the project was funded. It started, as I said, 1st of September 2023, and it will end on the 31st of August 2026. It is coordinated by Norwegian Technical National University, and the project has 30 partners. 30 partners which are represented here, and among them we have development entities, partners, and 1 public partners. NTNU, as mentioned there, is the coordinator of the project. So I wanted to make you this presentation about the ENFIELD project, because in this way you can know the context in which the project is situated. Now about our hackathon. As the teams already know, the main challenge was to create prototypes and solutions to cover one of the following topics, although these were not all the possible topics in which you could have a proposed solution. Bias identification in data set for specific domains, with a preference to the 4 verticals in the project, about which I have already mentioned. Bias identification in large language models, bias mitigation and correction, bias identification and correction in data annotation, but also generation of synthetic mitigation of bias. Now, these are the teams who entered into the competition. I already said that some teams have problems arriving here. So the teams are Space Vision, Dream Team V2, X-Brain, Tudiru, Explainables, Roscoach, USM, and EDAPA. Here on the right are the members of the jury. Eduard Pendlekov from Estonia, he is on his way here. Sebastian Hale, who is here, he's going to present himself a little bit later. Nikki-Lisa Cole, she is also here. We warmly thank the 2 members of the jury who managed to arrive here for coming. Kristina Vasilieva from Estonia, she is on her way here. Irina Mocanu from Romania Politehnica, she's also here. Thank you, and Alex Savada also from Romania. So these are the members of the jury. Now, here are the sponsors of this event. The sponsors, Hypercycle and Romanian Association for Artificial Intelligence, will secure the prizes, the awards that are going to be given, and Politehnica Bucharest, National University of Science and Technology, Politehnica Bucharest, who offered free accommodation for for the members of the team coming from outside Bucharest, and also, of course, all the equipment and facilities of communication that you can see here. I would like to mention the fact that ARIA, the Romanian Association for Artificial Intelligence, is able to sponsor this event because of the very kind donation of several companies and also of private persons who are donated small amounts, but which are important, and we kindly thank all these companies and people who just contributes to the activities of ARIA. Here is an updated program. It should have been further updated because we started a little bit late, hoping that the missing members will succeed to come. So we are going to have a break a little bit later on after the opening, and then we are going to have 2 technical presentations, and then during the afternoon the teams will be free to develop the solutions, and also, in fact, to make the last developments and refinements to the solutions, because they have already 1 month or maybe more in order to develop the solution. Now, tomorrow morning, starting from 10 o'clock, the teams will present their solution. Then we are going to have the lunch break, and then we are going to have the jury deliberation for the solution and the announcement of winning team. As compared to the program that you have received, we consider that it's better to do a shorter jury deliberation, because the jury can already look at the materials that you have submitted, and to announce the winning teams earlier on. Then we are going to end with the award ceremony and a small social event. And there will be a link for public voting for the best solution, because we decided to give what it is called the impact prize. The impact prize will be given by the vote of the people who are here and see the presentation of the teams, and also by anybody who is online and is able to see the presentations of the teams. Now, so the teams that managed to arrive here, that are already here and not on their way, are invited to shortly present themselves. That means the team leader will start presenting the team. Of course, each member of the team can say some words about himself or herself, university, if it is a PhD student, master student, bachelor of science student, and so on, and of course the university from which they are coming, or from other entities. It is not mandatory to be from university. So, is Space Vision here? Not yet. Okay, Dream Team V2. Okay, please, Dream Team V2. V2, I don't know, it is Venue 2, version 2. Okay, excellent. So please take the floor and present yourself.
Hi everyone, I hope you can hear me well. My name is Andrei Cristian Rad. I'm a PhD student at Technical University of Cluj-Napoca, where I study, well, exactly this kind of problems with fairness and bias in AI. My work is mainly around language models and language vision models, so image generation and image captioning, text to image, image to text. I'm here with 2 of my colleagues from work, actually, Akos and Vicențiu, who are now master's students, freshly joined ESBT Berlin and Technical University of Cluj-Napoca. And our project is about mitigating bias in large vision language models. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, next team. Thank you. X-Brain, is it here? Okay. Floor is yours.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Emanuel Kovac and I'm part of the X-Brain team. We are working on brain decoding technologies. Our goal is to assist people with disabilities, to assist people that maybe cannot move hands, legs, or maybe cannot communicate. Our goal is to use an EEG headset to record the brain waves and decode that brain waves and create some outputs that can establish communication with different people, and also maybe if controlling a hand or maybe a leg. We are from Timișoara, from West University of Timișoara, and yeah, we are glad to be here.
How many?
We are 2 people.
You
And Kovac, Kovac Flavia.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tudiru team. Is Tudiru team here? Yes, it is. I was just wondering from what does Tudiru come? Floor is yours.
Thank you. It comes from our last names. It's an anagram of it. Hello, my name is Cătălin. I have just finished my master's here in University Polytechnic of Bucharest. I'm gonna start a PhD the following autumn, like in 2 months, on cancer segmentation, with the main focus on lung CT cancers from tumors, and that's what I am developing here. We are trying to mitigate the biases coming from positions from the MSD medical segmentation decathlon dataset, from the positions of the cancer. We use other datasets and some augmentation processes to know cancer is a small class task, and you're trying to enhance that to make it more on par with the healthy samples, to have more reliable solutions in detecting it and segmenting it. Thank you very much.
How many are you?
We are 2, me and my girlfriend.
Okay.
Yes, Christina Tudor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, explainable team, is it here? Okay. Floor is yours.
Thank you. Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Eduard Hoja. I'm here with my teammate and Alex Lucas Pătaru. I'm from Timișoara. I'm studying at West University of Timișoara, doing my PhD right now. My colleagues are, well, Roxana is also from Timișoara, doing her master degree, and Alex is here at Bucharest, doing cybersecurity at Polytechnica. And well, as the name suggests, we have our research interest in the explainability part of AI. And well, we have found in our previous works that you can actually improve the learning of a model by having a symbolic part to it defined and combining that with the deep learning part, but that comes with some downsides that you have to actually define a set of rules, for example, for the symbolic part, and doing that manually can be actually a problem and can induce a human bias when you write the rules. And well, what we plan to do for this is to have a dynamically way of generating the set of rules there and reducing the bias that way. And yeah, we hope our project can do that, and we have found some interesting results that we are eager to show you.
Thank you. And now the last team who succeed to arrive here, EDAPA, please. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Hello, we are Team EDAPA. Our team has 4 members. Myself, Andrea, Cătălin, Teo, and Edward. We are actually mates and a deep passion for agents and on generating a data set for enhancing perception ability to use it in our work on an edge TPU compiler and have noticed some bias in the data sets we worked with, so we thought that the best approach would be to create our own. I think we're the youngest team here because most of us barely finished their bachelor's degree or are currently studying toward it. We are really happy to be here.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So I guess that you would agree that for the teams who had problems in arriving, they may be presenting themselves tomorrow morning before presenting their solution. Okay? Is it okay? Good. Now I'm going to ask for the members of the jury to present themselves, maybe to say some words about their universities, their laboratories, where they're coming from. Again, 2 members of the jury are on their way, but they are going to present themselves either later on if they arrive, if not tomorrow morning, if you do agree. Okay? Nikki, please.
Hi, everybody. Good morning. My name is Nikki Lisa Cole. I am a sociologist working in the Open and Reproducible Research Group based at No Center in Graz, Austria. In our group, we focus on meta-science, focused on open, reproducible, and responsible research. And my role within ENFIELD is working within the green AI pillar, bringing a social science and sustainability standpoint to the work that's being done within the green AI pillar. My background as a sociologist includes a focus on bias, discrimination, and inequalities within society, as well as an interest in how research is implemented responsibly and what the societal impacts of research are. So I will be bringing this background and expertise to bear in my role as a jury member during this hackathon. I'm really looking forward to hearing the presentations. I'm not a computer scientist, so I'm definitely going to ask you a lot of questions throughout the day to make sure that I understand what you're doing and to really understand the ways in which you're looking at bias and aiming to mitigate it. And so thanks so much. I can't wait.
Thank you very much. Sebastian, please.
Presentation is somewhere. Let's find it.
All right, good morning, everyone. My name is Sebastian, and I'm happy to be here today as a jury member in Bucharest. I'm the senior researcher of the Distributed and Self-Organizing Systems Group at Chemnitz University of Technology. And, okay, this one is not working, sorry. I will just jump over here. So I'm from Germany, and our city, unfortunately, is not so much known, so I thought I put a map for you to know where that is. We are located in relation to our capital, Berlin, kind of 200 kilometers south of it, and our region capital is Dresden, so we are kind of the neighboring city of Dresden, located in the eastern parts of Germany. Our university is a mid-sized technical university in the city of Chemnitz. And yeah, what else can I say? Chemnitz will be in 2025 the European Capital of Culture, so you are very welcome to visit us. We will be also organizing a national conference on human-computer interaction, which is the largest European conference on HCI, and I think that has a nice overlap with the human-centric aspects in ENFIELD. Oh, that's the wrong direction, sorry. I just brought a couple of our team. We are a mid-sized group. Our principal investigator here in the middle is Professor Getke, and I'm the senior researcher. We have 3 more postdocs and around 11, fluctuating a little bit, PhD students. Our mission is to advance how people, software and things collaborate in the hyper-connected society. So we are focused on the web. Of course, these days the web has a lot of overlap or cross-cutting concerns with artificial intelligence. And to do that, we do research in 3 different areas. Each of these areas is led by one of my colleagues, one of the postdocs. We have a focus on web and data engineering, where we look into models and the way that you analyze data on the web. We look into, we lost the screen, sorry. We look into web interaction, which is the ACI component of it. And we look also into Web of Things. And yeah, within ENFIELD, we are involved in the green, human-centric and trustworthy AI, but our main focus is in trustworthy, where we are co-lead for this pillar together with our colleagues from Norway. Sorry, that was too fast. I brought up a couple of things of our recent research interests within trustworthy AI. So here we want to analyze the security and trust implications of distributed AI architectures, because our focus is on web, of course, and the web intrinsically is hugely distributed. We're interested in modeling the architectures, analyzing trust issues. We are looking into secure protocols, methods, and architectures for distributed AI. In particular, think of AI as a service, for instance, or think of a system in which, in the future, more than one AI component is involved, and you have basically AI communicating with AI. Third point here is trustworthy AI-supported software production. So we want to also take the look from the other perspective on this topic. So not only on how to build trustworthy AI, but also how to use AI for building trustworthy systems. And lastly, we work together with the Green AI guys on enabling IoT federated learning systems that are trustworthy, where the shift of execution does not create any trust issues. And yeah, sorry, that is very fast. With that, I'm also closing my self-introduction. I'm looking forward to seeing all the teams presenting their solutions.
Thank you. Okay, I understood that. Look, welcome, welcome. The 2 members have finally arrived. So I'm happy that you are here. I hope that it was not too painful.
It was okay.
Okay. Edward, if we said that we are going to make another presentation. So you have a presentation, I have a presentation, we make it after the presentation. Present yourself briefly, and then I'm going to do cleanup. Yes.
I will not show slides. I will not show slides.
Okay, excellent.
So, hello. It's my real pleasure to be here. Finally, after some flight delays, so we are finally here. I will not show slides at the moment because I will make a longer presentation about our activities. So briefly about me, my name is Eduard Petlenkov, and I represent Tallinn University of Technology from Estonia. I am a professor there and the head of the Center for Intelligent Systems. Let's say we are working on the border between energy systems and AI. IT solutions. And yeah, I will tell in more details about that later. So I think there are two of us from Tautech from the same Center for Intelligent Systems.
Okay, thank you. We are going to hear Edward's presentation later on. Christina, please introduce yourself as member of the jury. And thank you very much for coming.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, my name is Kristina Vasilieva, and I'm as well from Estonia, from the same center about which Edward already has told you. So basically, I'm associate professor, and we are making solutions, AI, machine learning for buildings in order to future. In order to not waste energy and actually maybe to have a less footprint on Earth. So I'm very excited about your presentation during those days, so thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Irina?
Hello, my name is Irina Mocanu. I'm from University Polytechnica of Bucharest. I'm part of the Artificial Intelligence and Multi-Agent System Laboratory, headed by Professor Adina Florea. Our main research focuses are based on how to create assistive systems to help elderly people at home, and also how to develop medical applications that will help doctors to take a decision. And thank you for your invitation to be a part of the jury member.
Thank you. Alex? Okay. Last member of the jury, Alex, is at this moment not really present. Of course, he is here. He is also a member of the organizing team. But, well, he's going to be back, of course. Now, before the break, I would like to ask you to watch a series of three very short movies about the three sponsors that are sponsoring our event. Păi știe Alex, dacă nu vine el. Sunt toate, deci cum vrei? Cel de la... lasă-l. Okay. Alex, please introduce yourself as the member of the jury.
Hello, everyone. I am Alex Awada, and I am a researcher at the University Polytechnica of Bucharest. I research the field of active and assisted living, e-health, and multimodal interactions. I welcome you all to our hackathon. I organized this hackathon together with my colleague Andrei Olaru and another member from our university. Thank you.
And now don't leave me, please, Alex, don't leave me. Would you please run the three short movies of our sponsors? Thank you very much.
transaction machine, the TM. Only then, the instructions are sent to the AIM along with the Each node will run its requested part of the AI chunk of the data it has received and return the results to the network. So the proof of the work can unlock the payment it has been committed to it. Effectively, another hypercycle computation node. The hypercycle node will then aggregate the results from all of the nodes and the proof of payment within milliseconds and output them to the requester via the virtual machine. This unique design brings forth the manifestation of exponential collaborative efforts between AI agents, undoubtedly leading to the emergence of a new overall intelligence between nodes using AI scale. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit hypercycle.ai. A hypercycle node is a software enabling the smallest AI modules to interact and transact with any other modules efficiently and securely due to its cryptographic proofs and true P2P design. Hypercycle computation node is comprised of loosely coupled components, mainly a virtual machine, a transaction machine, and an AI machine. In order to operate, the VM machine must receive a three-way input composed of, first, a SATO server, which is represented by the HYPC token and acts as a cryptographic proof of conditional payment wrapped in sufficient cryptographic proofs within a 64-kilobyte file packet. Second, the exact data in need of AI computation such as images, text, or audio. Third, the smart contract instructions on how to process the data. Once the virtual machine has received the complete required input, it then acts as an interface between the network and components of the hypercycle computation node. Once the HYPC, aka the SATO server, has been confirmed by the transaction machine, the TM. Only then, the instructions are sent to the AIM along with the data to be computed. Each node will run its requested part of the AI algorithm on the chunk of the data it has received and return the results to the network. So the proof of the work can unlock the payment it has been committed to it. Effectively, another hypercycle computation node. Node will then aggregate the results from all of the nodes and the milliseconds and output them to the requester via the virtual machine. This unique design brings forth the manifestation of exponential collaborative efforts between AI agents, undoubtedly leading to the emergence of a new overall intelligence between nodes using AI computation at large scale. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit hypercycle.ai.
ARIA, the Romanian Association for Artificial Intelligence, is a non-profit scientific association dedicated to the support of research advancements in artificial intelligence and the development of Romanian research and education in the field. The mission of ARIA is to promote Romanian research and education in the domain of artificial intelligence and to contribute to the creation, production, and dissemination of knowledge and technology in the domain. Main activities of ARIA include the organization and scientific patronage of conferences, workshops, awarding grants and scholarships, and facilitating the development of joint academia-industry research projects. Among the activities in which ARIA was involved are the Machine Learning School, organized by the AMOS Laboratory of Polytechnica Bucharest every summer from 2018, the Eastern European Machine Learning Summer School yearly from 2019, The International Workshop on Robots, Artificial Intelligence, and Robotic Cloud Edge Platforms, the Area Best Thesis Award, and others. Several grants and scholarships were awarded by AREA to outstanding students contributing to the field of AI. Last but not least, AREA is proud to be part of the ENFIELD Hackathon on Bias Identification and Mitigation, August 2024. Join the Romanian Association for Artificial Intelligence today.
Universitatea Politehnica din București. 200 de ani de inginerie și inovație în folosul societății. O reputație recunoscută în toată țara. O misiune transmisă fiecărei generații de ingineri. Absolvenții noștri au construit poduri care ne-au apropiat mai mult unii de alții, au creat lumină acolo unde era întuneric și au dus cunoașterea în cele mai îndepărtate colțuri ale lumii. Împreună ne-am ridicat deasupra norilor sau am coborât până în măruntaiele pământului pentru a extrage bogățiile. Am prețuit educația și am reușit să stăpânim atomul și să subjugăm electronii până când am redus întreaga lume la dimensiunile unui simplu telefon. Nu credem în cuvântul imposibil, însă privind în urmă, e imposibil să ne imaginăm cum ar fi arătat azi România și odată cu ea lumea întreagă fără ingineri. Nu degeaba ne mândrim că aici, la Universitatea Politehnica din București, pregătim zi de zi, generație după generație, cei mai buni ingineri ai țării. Pe lângă absolvenți, mândria noastră se mai bazează și pe lungul șir de profesori, de la care au învățat generație după generație tainele științelor exacte și măsura adevărată a lucrurilor. Absolvenți, generația voastră va purta numele Generația Gheorghe Lazăr. Tradiția Universității Politehnica din București începe în 1818, când Gheorghe Lazăr a înființat prima școală tehnică superioară cu predare în limba română. Misiunea școlii, formarea de ingineri hotarnici. Cărturar, pedagog, teolog și deopotrivă inginer, Gheorghe Lazăr e considerat fondator.
Okay, so these were the first sponsor is a company from United States who is planning to visit Romania in the future. The second is our Romanian Association for Artificial Intelligence. So those of you who are Romanians and would like to join, you are free to come, and University Polytechnica is a place where we are all in. So now we are going to have a short coffee break, and then afterwards, after the break, you are going to hear two technical presentations. Yes, one of Edward and one presented by me. Okay? So let's have a short coffee break. Thank you.